Welcome back, dear friends. This is Flavors and Knowledge. I'm Chef Walter. Within our podcast, we offer a brief segment, almost like a brain foodcast, little bites of knowledge, and we'll call it News You Can Eat. Today, we'll cover the avocado. And so let's find out what this beautiful fruit is about. The avocado is a rather unique fruit. While most fruit consists primarily of carbs, avocado is high in healthy fats. It's the fruit of the avocado tree, scientifically known as Persea americana. This fruit is prized for its high nutrient content and is added to various dishes due to its good flavor and, of course, the rich texture. It is the main ingredient in guacamole and often referred to as a superfood. There are many types of avocado that vary in shapes and color, from pear-shaped to round and green to black. They can also weigh anywhere from 8 ounces to 3 pounds. The most popular variety is the Hass avocado. It is loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and various important nutrients such as potassium, which is fundamental in blood pressure level. Avocado oils are high in monounsaturated oleic acid, a great fatty acid also found in olive oil. The fruit is very rich in fiber, about 7% by weight, which is very high compared to most foods. And you know fiber is very important for weight loss and metabolic health. Eating avocado can improve heart disease risk factors like the bad LDL and good HDL cholesterol. Avocados are high in antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients are very important because they lower your risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. In your kitchens, the creamy, rich, and fatty texture of avocado blend very well with other ingredients. Therefore, it's easy to add this fruit to your diet. Lastly, the most common question is the discoloration factor. Using lemon juice may prevent cut avocado from browning quickly. If you need any recipes on avocado, you can go into our website, our blog, which currently updates recipes pretty much daily, www.chefwalterfinefoods.com/blog. And there you'll get all the recipes that you need. And that does it for this particular episode. Tune in for another informative podcast of Flavors and Knowledge the next time. Follow us on our YouTube channel under Chef Walter's Cooking School, and subscribe, of course, to this podcast on your preferred platform. Hey, stay healthy, and we'll chat with you soon. Ciao, ciao.